Hello, my creative photography friends. I'm just quickly dropping by to invite you to my new monthly creative photography classes. In our first class, I'm going to show you all the different perspectives you can use to vary up your shots, ways to use rotated perspective to mess with people's minds, how to create hilarious forced perspective images, tips for capturing the perfect storytelling flat lay, and wrap all the boring, hard to understand photography theory inside much easier to chew fun practice projects. If you're lit up by the idea of using monthly creative projects to master photography, if you'd rather feel excited, not intimidated to pick up your camera, if you're ready to start seeing real improvement instead of stops and starts, if you'd love to take amazing photos even you can't believe, and add more fun, enjoyment, and purpose into your life, then that's what we're going to do together every month. These workshops are designed to fill your year with inspiring ideas, much like the projects on this channel, so you can create photos you're excited by while progressively improving your skills month by month and building out your creative portfolio. So come along and discover how easy and fun photography can be when you approach it through a creative lens. Register for free at the link below, and I'll see you there.